while offering essential product overhaul and specialist repair services to all the major rail infrastructure operators in the UK. LH Group has an extensive complete vehicle overhaul service for any piece and any size of rail infrastructure equipment. Total control of each project is achieved thanks to all overhaul processes being undertaken in-house. These include powertrain remanufacture, bogie and wheel sets, chassis, electrical, hydraulics, finished livery painting. With a commitment to giving its customers the most up-to-date and advanced technology available, LH Group provides extensive product modification and development services for all infrastructure equipment. Re-engine packages are available, leading to greater efficiency and lower emissions. Upgrades are made to various products such as cab and turntable installations for ease of operations. We employ a network of site and service engineers who are strategically placed throughout the UK and provide essential support and rail assistance. Operating in the safety-critical world of the European rail network, LH Group complies with the most stringent quality assurance testing procedures in the industry and adheres to all the required industry quality and safety requirements for vehicle overhaul. In today's demanding and competitive market, we understand our customers' needs for an economic, swift and exhaustive overhaul of their equipment, and all work is undertaken with the attention to detail and quality that comes with every LH Group service.